this is just a normal document on Google Docs, but if you look closely, especially on the top right corner of the screen, there is this Gemini button. I can click it and it will open this nice user interface where I can communicate with AI directly when I'm working with my document. For example, here I can ask it to summarize the content. And I can also ask it to rephrase or maybe make the paragraph shorter or longer, or maybe using a different style. So there are many amazing things that you can do when you have Gemini directly on Google Docs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Gemini AI directly on your Google Docs document. So the first step that you need to do is that you have to be on the Google One Premium or Google Workspace Labs. So if you're paying for Google One, which I think will cost you maybe like $10 or $20 a month, you are automatically in the Google One program. But if you're not, then you can still use Gemini using the Google Workspace Labs. So you have to go to Google and search for Google Workspace Labs. And after that, you want to click on the first result. And basically, it's going to show you some messages, some info about the program, and basically you have to scroll down and click submit. So in this case, I'm already on the program, so I see this message. But basically, this is a program from Google that lets you use various AIs, and you can incorporate that AI tools, especially Gemini, directly on Google products, including Google Docs. After that, you can go to gemini.google.com. This is the official page of the Gemini AI. And after that, you can click on the settings page, click apps, and then here you have to enable Google Workspace. Just click this and click connect. So this setting will ensure that Gemini is enabled in various Google products, including Gmail, Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. And after that, you can go to, let's say, Google Docs, and you can open any document. Let's try using this document that talks about how to care golden retriever, and you will see this button on the top right corner of the screen. So there are many things that you can do. You can use it to refine the wording. You can also use it to rephrase, elaborate, make it shorter, or create bullet point, etc. There are a lot of things that you can do when you have Gemini on this Google Docs document, but I think that's going to be another topic for a future video. So be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see amazing things that you can do on Gemini on Google Docs. But that's basically how you can enable this AI feature on Google Docs. And again, this feature is also available in other Google products, including Gmail, Calendar, etc. And if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.